Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session. That is the 22nd of February, friends. In yesterday's trading session, we gave you ITC for buy. Okay, ITC was given for a buy at break of this particular head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this was the neckline drawn. You can refer to yesterday's video. Straight from here, straight to the target, friends. Again, it became sideways like this, formed a kind of a channel. Okay, and then at the bottom of the channel, which is the same like this, retracement, again upward momentum, it broke the channel till here. Coming to the next point, if I extend it further, same channel, again it is making a upward move, friends. So target hit on this in first half an hour. Let's not consider these two momentums here. Coming to the sell stock given was Tata Consumer, friends. Started going up straight. Okay, and here it made a double top pattern. You can see this top, second top. Okay, this is your trend line. Break of trend line followed by retest. Here if you buy, if you sell, okay, this is your stop loss. Okay, and this was the target that was achieved from here to here. Anyone who was trailing the target would have exited somewhere here at this candle, or probably this end of this candle. So this is also more than 1:1.5. Let's just check how much it was. So entry somewhere here, followed by, even if we consider this target and this stop loss, it is giving 1:1. However, gave a good 1:2.5 as your risk to reward ratio on a sell side. Coming to its momentum, again it went up again. Here again a double top, friends. Look at this, clear double top, first top, second top, and downward momentum. Entry here would have had a simple stop loss of the high, previous swing high, which is here. Okay, even a little above that if you are keeping the target straight to the bottom, which is around how much risk to reward. Okay, we should have created a short position. So that's coming up to almost, see, 1:2.5, friends. That's like 1:3 almost. Even if you consider it little above that, it is 1:2. Target achieved. Coming to Nifty, Banknifty. Now see, friends, Nifty, we already had this particular levels from yesterday's. Today it started here, continued to go up. I already told you we have multiple reasons to sell at 50%. Like a very obedient child, this particular thing did 50% rejection, came down, made a double top kind of a pattern here, and gave a clear breakdown here. Okay, this was your double top breakdown. This was your double top ka breakdown. As soon as the breakdown came, an entry here, straight to the target. This was your target. Straight to the target. Again, retest of this particular area. Again, down to the target, friends. And we were bearish on Nifty. You already see that Nifty is making lower highs and lower lows. Not low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. Again, lower high. Probably another lower low is expected from Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, similar story, friends. Yesterday we discussed we would be looking at 50% level. You see at 50% level, it could not sustain here. It gave a clear-cut breakdown here. How was the breakdown? The breakdown was like this, followed by a retest. Okay, from the retest straight down, it did not go and meet this target, but yes, it is still making lower highs and kind of lower lows. What is important here is, now we see Nifty is little stronger than when compared to Bank Nifty. The reason is simple, it remained sideways after 12 o'clock today. However, Bank Nifty after 12 made two more lower lows. Okay, Nifty made two more lower lows and Bank Nifty did not make those lower lows. It was kind of sideways. That's an important thing. One more reason for entry here, was simple, friends. This was a breakdown, and if you look at this clearly, you'll see a left head, left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. Break of this trend line can also be considered as an entry, which also gave a clear 1:2 target on a downside. So this would be your stop loss above the head, above the shoulder, and 1:2, 1:1.5 is what we could make here. So that's how Bank Nifty and Nifty were very obedient students, as we expected. What do we expect now, friends? Coming to Nifty, we would be creating buy positions in Bank Nifty if we are creating, and sell positions in Nifty. For what reasons? You already know the reasons. Now see, this is a very big rally that it has made from here, that is from 42,000 till 40,000, which is around 2,000 points, friends. Now, after making this kind of a double bottom here, if you see it going up here, okay, this breakout comes. See, it will easily go ahead and touch this area. It will touch this area also. Okay. Now, what is important is this area. This area is where you see multiple rejections. Okay. We already have two reasons. One, this is a rejection zone, just like what we had today. Two, after this rejection, we also have Fibo. Now we are going to look for third reason here on a smaller time frame. What could the third reason be? It can be a kind of a double top pattern, or a kind of a channel that it is making like this, which is narrowing, or you can see some flat channel that it's making at this area. So in these cases, we would go ahead and create a sell position for these targets again. So when it is breaking this area, there is an upward move expected till here, or till here we would be booking somewhere here. And if it is going here and making some kind of pattern, we are expecting a downward move again at this level. When can we also create downward move? We can create downward move at break of this trend line, friends. So now you have a clear picture of Bank Nifty. Coming to Nifty, Nifty is already making the lower lows. So if I draw a Fibo here from the recent top to the bottom, our first area to sell would be here. And if in case tomorrow it's a gap down kind of situation where it is going below this area, we would go ahead and sell at this area itself. Now the targets are simple, 1, 2, and final target is this. We are not expecting such big targets in one day, but then yeah, they are quite possible. That's how we would be creating sell positions in Nifty. Now this trend line, friends, when would we create buy positions? Now if Bank Nifty is breaking this trend line, something like this, okay, starts going up, and then it retraces this trend line and gives you a bullish picture here. That is when we would be creating a buy position for first target here, second target here. We would not be waiting for it to wait for the third target, friends, unless we are very sure that it is going up or it is making very strong green candles and coming till here, then we can expect this target. Otherwise, if the candles are small, then we would go ahead and take exit at this area. Very clear about Nifty also. Coming to the buy stock for the day. But using Dr. Reddy's as buy stock, friends, I'll give you multiple reasons for this. Now you first tell me what pattern is this. Okay, please write Dr. Reddy's and name of this pattern. This is your reason number 1. Now your reason number 2. For that I'm drawing a simple trend line. See, this is where Dr. Reddy's has broken the trend line and came to retest it and also started moving upwards. Now what is important here is, friends, these candles, 3 candles which are formed here are very important. When are these 3 candles formed? They are formed after a proper doji candle here. Okay, this is your shooting star candle and it continued its momentum upwards. When will we create buy positions? We create buy positions immediately or anywhere where it starts somewhere here, or if you want to be very safe, you can wait for this trend line to break, friends. As soon as this trend line breaks and there is a candle that is formed like this here, okay, we can go ahead and create buy positions, or wait for it to come and retest like this. Okay, this will happen somewhere here. Okay, so if it breaks here, something like this, if it breaks and it comes back to retest it somewhere here, we can create buy position. Our stop loss would be this candle, friends. Okay, and we can expect the target still here. Okay, this is your reason number 2. Reason number 3. Now look at this, friends. What is this? This is a trend line. And what is this? This is a channel. Okay, so it has come out of this channel, gone ahead and retested. Okay, this was your channel breakout. Now what would be the target? As per analysis, you can expect the target till the stop, friends, which is 45.36 levels. Coming to the sell stock. Sell stock, we are choosing access back, friends. See, you see it is one continuous down sell. It is making lower highs and lower lows. Okay, and now it has consolidated for some time. Okay, since 21st I see it consolidating. Now during consolidation, what has happened is important, friends. We see a kind of a shoulder and another shoulder, but it did not go ahead and give this breakdown. That is the reason it's still staying there. Now if you take this off, this is what I also see. See, we see this channel. You can see the channel narrowing, and it's an upward kind of a channel which is narrowing. Now this is a big narrowing channel. Our actual channel, if you look at it, was like this, friends. Okay, so this was your actual channel. Let's delete that. This was your actual channel, and this was the target. So it clearly met the target as soon as it broke. Again, second time it gave the target. Third time it started making a bigger channel due to volatility in the second half of the day. But was it able to break the top? The answer is no. So as soon as it crosses this area tomorrow, we can expect target number 1 here, target number 2, and for target number 3 we have to draw something called a Fibonacci based trend extension. How would we draw that? We'll take this tool called trend based extension and create third target. How does that look? See, it's easy, friends. From the recent top which it has made, which is here, okay, I am creating a click here till the recent bottom, which is this, okay, till the retracement, which is here. This is the retracement area. Okay, this is where our Fibonacci lies. Now your first target would be 833.5 and final target would be 824, friends. So first target here, second target here, that is 841, 838, 833 is third target, and 824 is your final target. Now please note, these two targets will come only if Nifty and Banknifty are falling down, but these first two targets which we gave, this area and this area, is easily achievable. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, do hit that subscribe button. Also ring the bell so that you would not be missing out on any update that is coming on the channel, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow, friends.